Thank you, sir. May I now invite Professor Sunil Mithas, Professor, University of Maryland, to give us an overview of the conference. Sir, please.
Good morning, everybody. I just want to say Dr. Chaturvedi was very, very kind in his remarks. I must say that this is actually a team effort, and I want to just give you some genesis before I talk about the overview of the conference. I met Dr. Chaturvedi in the month of June, and we started talking about that if India is now moving towards a knowledge economy or information economy, we are seeing many other countries making tremendous strides in that area. And many of the successful economies of the world, one distinguishing thing they have in common is that there is a vibrant exchange of information between academia, government, policymakers, and industry. Our idea was that why don't we create a forum here where we bring together these constituencies. So although there are conferences, there are lots of conferences happening in India, we were not aware of any such thing where we bring universities, policymakers, industry people together and talk about digitization in a very serious way. So we started this journey in the month of June, and I'm very happy to say that we have received such a support from many institutions around the world. I approached, so some of the people who are not here, I just want to extend my welcome remarks also on their behalf. I met with the Dean of the Heinz School, Dr. Ramaiah Krishnan, at an Informs conference. And when I discussed the idea with him, he immediately supported that. Likewise, University of Arkansas, University of Colorado at Denver, IIT Delhi. So I'm very happy that many of the institutions have come together here to support this idea, but I'm also very grateful to some of the very eminent speakers who are in audience today. And so I'm very thankful to Dr. Neeraj Mittal. We will have Prasantu Roy today. He will be anchoring one panel. It's the second panel, industry panel. Tomorrow we will have another panel which is anchored by Professor Vivanshu Abhishek, where he will be talking about entrepreneurship and innovation. And we have some of the leading companies of the world represented here. The companies that are actually causing, enabling digital transformation. So we are talking about companies like Alphabet, Facebook. By the way, these are also some of the companies which have the highest market capitalization in the world. So if you look at today, the top 5 companies in the world by market capitalization, they all happen to be IT companies. These are the Facebooks of the world, Microsofts of the world, Amazon.coms of the world. And I'm happy to say that all of them are represented here. I'm also very thankful to the authors. So this conference is actually about the people who have submitted their intellectual work here. We have something like 19 papers from virtually everywhere in the world. So people from the US universities, from Hong Kong, from Germany, from Singapore, they have contributed their work, and I will request you to kindly take a close look in your program booklet that we have circulated. And there you will also see the welcome address from some of the co-sponsors of the conference, but also the abstracts of some of the papers. With that, let me just close, but I also want to say one other thing. My colleague, Professor Siva Viswanathan, is not here because he had an emergency, family emergency. So I wanted to extend these welcome comments also on his behalf and on behalf of other members of the organizing committee. So you will see somewhere here Professor Nimisha Singh and Professor Sanjeeva Dubey, and they have put in incredible amount of effort in making this conference successful. So with that, let me welcome you all, and I hope this conference will change our thinking and help us to proceed in a different direction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing the vision of the conference, and I'm sure all of us are excited. Now may I request the panelists of the first session to please take their seats on the dais so that we may start with the proceedings. Today is one of those rare occasions in a conference that we have a panel comprising of highly illustrious and knowledgeable professionals and policymakers who are an integral part of the Digital India growth story. We are honored by their gracious presence. Now may I request Dr. Anupam Verma, Dean Academics and Deputy Director BIMTech, to welcome the esteemed panelists. Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, CEO, UIDAI and Chairman, GSTN. Dr. Deepak Mishra, author, World Development Report on Digital Dividends, World Bank. Ms. Radha Chauhan, CEO, Government e-Marketplace. Mr. Aditya Chaudhary, Managing Director, Accenture. Dr. Neeraj Mittal, Senior Advisor, World Bank. Thank you, sir. Now, as we proceed towards the first panel discussion of the conference, I have the pleasure of introducing the moderator of this panel, Dr. Neeraj Mittal. Dr. Mittal is Senior Advisor to Executive Director of World Bank in Washington. Before this, he was working as Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Dr. Mittal is an electrical engineering graduate from IIT Kanpur, holds an MBA degree from Cranfield University, UK, and is a PhD from Ohio State University, USA. I now hand over the proceedings of the discussion to Dr. Mittal.
Thank you, Ritu. So we are running a bit behind schedule, so we'll try to catch up. So I'm going to skip on the overview of the conference, which has been given excellently by our previous panel. Let me, without much ado, introduce the panelists on our panel here. On my extreme right is Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey. He's an IAS officer of 1984 batch. But what makes him uniquely important for us today is that he's the CEO of UIDAI, Aadhaar, and it's a very hotly discussed issue in the country today. He has been steering the Aadhaar project in India since its beginning in 2010. He has closely worked with central and state governments, banks, oil companies and other stakeholders to enable the use of Aadhaar platform in programs such as direct benefit transfers, financial inclusion and e-governance. Dr. Pandey has played a key role in drafting of Aadhaar, Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefits and Subsidies Act 2016 and the regulations related to that for implementation of the Aadhaar Act. He also is holding the charge of Chairman GSTN since September 2017 and guiding it in a very critical phase of stabilization. His wide experience is rooted in his love for knowledge. He graduated from electrical engineering from IIT Kanpur, so same alma mater. Special thanks for that, and I'm really happy to have you here. And he joined the IAS thereafter, but his hunger for knowledge took him to the University of Minnesota in 1998, where he obtained his master's and PhD in computer science. In 2009, he was awarded the Distinguished Leadership Award for Internationals by University of Minnesota for his outstanding leadership and accomplishments in his professional career. I welcome you, Dr. Pandey, here on this panel. Our next panelist is Deepak, and he brings the international best practice knowledge in the area of ICT in a country context to the panel. He works for the World Bank. He is currently the practice manager for macroeconomic